What you doing, girl? You can show them how you can roll around? You show them how you can roll around real good? Let's put you on your back and show them how you can roll. See, last night, Mommy had me on my back, and we started like this. And when Mommy woke up, in a couple hours, Miss Madeline had turned herself all the way like this, all the way over here on the other side of the pack and play. And Mommy said, "How did you do that?" Yeah, I'm a little wiggle worm. I'm a little wiggle worm. I'm a little wiggle worm. Say hi. Say hi. Where are you going? You getting hungry?